Before I came earthside, deep, deep within my mother's womb, I grew alive with symbiosis, a little hyphae-like, but just a gentle, giant pathway. I was too raw for the big, almighty stream. And I birthed, I grew, I transformed through the squeezing and the leaving and the freezing and the heat. And somehow, sheer dumb luck, intuition, providence, universe, who knows? Well, somehow I grew resilient. And was I ready for more? Yes, I was shouting for more. The fungal hyphae were screaming, sugar, sugar baby, pump me more, let me grow full and long and deep and wild, let me explore and find my tribe. And my feet took me there before my fear told me, babe, you're ready. And my mouth took me there before society said she should. And I arrived, diving in the deep end with so many years and tears and inconsequence, and too many believed in fears. But the hyphae took me deeper, and the sugar called me on, and Nicole called me out on what I'd been holding on to for too long. And Holmgren, he called me deeper than I'd ever before seen where to go. And Mollison asked me questions that inspired me to grow. And Tawonga mobilized me like water in a stream and created pictures in my mind how much water could achieve. And Gabe, well, he's just the best, and he put it out real clear that if you want to heal your landscape, you got to work with Mother Dear. And Ingham, she drew me pictures so my mind could understand how relationship and kinship hidden from my eyes could furthermore transform. And my gut held feelings that led me down the paths that led to more learning than past stanzas can describe. So today, Doc CJ blew my mind, and all my colleague coach incredibles inspired me time after time. And the power of the synergy, yes, the energy in the room blew my socks off, inspired, transformed me, and I was born again, born again. The words cannot express the power of the pathway, the networks and the internetworks, the hyphae as they flow, the ever-living stream of consciousness and wisdom, the heart-mind meeting, souls beating, the courage that we find to step away outside of ourselves, our ego. With each sunrise, I'm transformed. Transformed, alive and diversified, awoken, new horizons, new landscape possibilities, new community possibilities, relational hyphae, networks beyond my mind can comprehend, the awesome power of nature, what she teaches me when I call her friend. And I learn, with each new dawn I learn, like a river flowing with the path that winds away through the country I learn. I mold and I am molded, and I learn and I am humbled, and the more I am humbled, the more I learn. I connect, I slip, I fall, I reconnect, and with every single moment I have the chance to grow. I am replanted every day by the Earth Mother that cradles me while I sleep. She grows me every night in her womb and rebirths me with each new dawn, and with every fresh new earthside birthing dew and every sunrise color kaleidoscope rainbow of possibility, no day ever the same. I learn, I heal, and am healed. I generate the regeneration, and I grow.